Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1988 Volkswagen Scirocco 16 valve. Oh, never even sat in one of these before, and now I'm driving it. This is going to be a quick little drive just because I'm taking a quick break from a photo shoot. I don't think that's shut. Now it is. 5-speed. The pedal box is a little weird to get used to, but I've somewhat gotten used to it. A lot of you may know I broke my ankle a couple months ago, so driving stick, getting used to it, it's been a bit of a struggle, but we're figuring it out. Oh, I never thought I would ever drive a Scirocco. Many of you know these cars weren't really sold in the States. They very hard to find. Oh, I love this car so much. It's just analog. This is one of the original hot hatches. Obviously, same engine as was in that 91 Golf GTI I drove a couple months back. Such a good engine. It's just such a cool car. 80s cars have absolutely taken off in value because everybody that grew up adoring these cars finally has the money to start buying them. And this one has 82,000 miles on it. This is about as clean as they come. It's yeah, you're not gonna, you know, buy this thing and say, yeah, Bluetooth, the radio's awesome, we got CarPlay. Like, no, you're really not. However, this one just got upfitted with the Blaupunkt or something, Blaupunkt Bluetooth radio, so now it has it, which is kind of cool. What a cool car. Oh, I love it so much. Wearing an ankle brace was probably not the best idea for this small of a pedal set. Oh, it's so fun. So fun. You know, I remember, and this is gonna create a lot of controversy, but whatever. I remember not the original Karate Kids. I love those movies. The one with what is it, Will Smith's son, Jaden Smith. They had a Scirocco in that movie. It was part of the plot and everything. It's, I don't know. I was, oh god, what year did that movie come out? I was probably like 10 years old, 8 years old, something like that. So, I don't know. I always, when I think of the Scirocco, I think back to that movie. Even though the Scirocco played a minimal role as a vehicle, it was mainly just kind of a vessel for the plot. But, oh, I love this car so much. And I will say, I mean, obviously, you can see I'm heavy, and the steering wheel's massive. My legs barely fit under the wheel. But other than that, obviously because you didn't have rollover standards and everything like that, the pillars are small, visibility is great, absolutely fantastic. Never thought I'd drive a Scirocco, and I'm driving a Scirocco. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.